Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 354th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well and being healthy and safe. Today I'm going to share with all of you a great quick bread recipe that is full of flavor. We're going to make strawberry cream cheese bread. And my friends, this recipe is the bomb.com. It is so moist, melts in your mouth, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. This quick bread would be great to serve for breakfast, brunch. Everybody's going to fall in love with this bread. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breads recipes playlist for more recipes and my previous video, mashed potato casserole. I'll also post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your strawberries, your cream cheese, and your low pan sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry cream cheese bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of baking soda and a fourth of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm just going to sift them all together. And we're going to set them aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, and 4 ounces of cream cheese spread, also at room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together until they're fluffy. Alright my friends. Next we're going to add in a half a cup of evaporated milk. 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. And blend all of this in until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, next we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients. And mix all together until they're nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the batter. Nice and smooth and whip. Alright, that looks great. I can smell the strawberry extract. Alright, now it's time to add in the last ingredient. We're going to add and fold in 1.5 cups of fresh strawberries that I chopped, or you can use frozen. Alrighty my friends, I'm through folding up the strawberries. Now we're ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in the low pan that I greased with baking spray. Alrighty my friends, now ready to put our strawberry cream cheese bread in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven, and we're going to cover it with some aluminum foil and bake it for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, we're going to remove the foil and continue baking for 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells incredible up in this kitchen. I have taken my strawberry cream cheese bread out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown that is. Alright, so now I'm going to let the bread cool completely, and then I'll take it out the pan, put it on my cake stand, and then I'll slice it up. All right, my friends, there you have it. Strawberry cream cheese bread. Don't that look good? And look at the strawberries inside. My mouth's watering. All right, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnished it with some whipped cream and the strawberry on top. Doesn't that look pretty? All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that texture. So moist. Mmm. Light and airy. Full of strawberry goodness. It reminds me of eating a strawberry cheesecake. This is marvelous. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum! Oh. Strawberry cream cheese bread, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.